Alright guys, I'm going to show you this Firemaple backpacking stove. This is the model Star X2 cooking system, and it is actually more like the jet boil. Obviously that's more expensive than this, so I'm just going to open this one and then I'll show you. We'll see like how convenient it is and what are the challenges or any good things about it. It comes in this mesh bag, and if you open it, you can see there's a lock up there. So what you need to do is just push it down there, bring it out and just push it down. You can open it this way. There's a small button here. If you want to, when you want to close it, you can close it like this way. So we've just opened it. So there's a lid, there's a small hole on this one. It comes with this kind of a stand sort of thing, which you can use for if you're cooking or something, but mostly because we are going to use it to boil water, and that's one of the main things people use it, especially if you're backpacking. You can make tea, coffee, or any use water, hot water for any kind of food. So from once you open it, you will have this thing in there, and you will have the actual stove in there. So I'll just take that one out. So from this container, this is the actual stove. This is the stand if you want to use it, and basically this stove goes on a gas container, and then I'll show you how we can do it. So I bought this Coleman gas container separately, but there are other ones smaller in size. You can fit them in, so you don't have to carry it separately, but because I just thought we probably needed more time, so I just bought this one. So what you need to do is just, you see this whole thing that goes up on this whole system like this. So it's now just fitted in. Next thing you have to do is just you can see this clip thing, just bring it out, and mainly you see this container, mainly you need to just rotate it up there. It's all right, it's perfectly fine. Hello.
Is that nosy? Go, no, move on.
All right.
You enjoying your day?
So you see, this is now just fitted. All you have to do is just put it down there and rotate it, and it will fit. So you can also use this small stand if you want, like this stand. Right. How this one works is like this. You see this small container that can fit into the stand, right? And it's like that. Yeah. Okay. So probably I've been calling this gas canister container. So wherever I've been saying container, basically I mean this gas canister. So that fits into this stand, and it looks like this. Now you can see on this basically on stove, there is a button here. Yeah, that is to switch on and off. Basically just ignite, and this is to just switch on. Now we'll put some water in this one. So we've got 1 liter water here. You can see there is a some small mark there, 1 liter. So I've just filled it up there, and then we're going to close it. So to switch it on, we'll just move it on this side and then press the button. It's on now. The timer. Okay, so as you can see, it's boiling now, right? and it has taken around 4 minutes 47 seconds, right? But one of the factors is that there's a lot of wind here, right? So I'm just going to close it. So I bought it from Amazon, and personally it's actually a very nice thing to carry in your backpack, especially if you know, you're a small family or a single person, or you're doing any walks or camping. This can be very helpful, and overall I like the quality. There's a handle on the side as well also, but now you can see this was just boiling, but this is not. You can just carry from the case. 2 other cases with different colors comes with this as well, and overall I think the quality of this product is really nice. In normal circumstances, 1 liter of water should take around 4 minutes to boil, but this has taken like around 4 minutes 47 seconds. Now we're going to just make some tea for ourselves. I hope this gives you an idea about this stove. So all you need to do is, once you've used this water, just take out the small gas canister, take out the stand, put it back, and you can just pack it easily in your backpack. But thank you very much for watching.